Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Dyson HS makes no noise, which can be quite disconcerting. This issue often arises due to a failure in the turbine, which is crucial for its operation. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications and potentially more costly repairs down the line. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement turbine, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson HS is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Start by locating the screws on the rear casing of the device. You will need to remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry the casing away from the device, being careful not to damage any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, look for the turbine, which is typically located near the fan assembly. You may need to disconnect a few cables to get better access. Use your tweezers to carefully disconnect any connectors without pulling too hard, as this could damage them. Once you can see the turbine, check for any signs of wear or damage. To remove it, you might find screws holding it in place, which will require your Phillips screwdriver again. Make sure to remember the order of the screws, as this will help when reassembling the device. After removing the old turbine, take your new turbine and position it correctly. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Reconnect any cables you disconnected earlier, making sure they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the rear casing, ensuring it clicks back into place, and reinsert the screws to secure it. Finally, plug your Dyson HS back in and turn it on to check if it's working correctly. You should hear the familiar sound of the turbine spinning. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for any blockages in the airways. This will keep your device running smoothly and extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.